My name is David Breckenridge. I'm chair of the Scottish Textile and Leather Association. We represent approximately 100 companies in the textile and associated trades in Scotland, and we act on behalf of those members in a variety of ways. The textile industry in Scotland currently is in a very interesting position. It has gone from being a hugely traditional industry to being an industry that incorporates technology from all sorts of areas, all sorts of sectors, and is constantly looking for ways to update itself and to renew and to appeal to new markets. Our markets are global in nature. One of the challenges facing our industry here in Scotland is how we market ourselves globally and how we will do that effectively in the future. And one of the obvious ways to address that is through the use of social media. So that is a hugely exciting challenge for the industry going forward, exactly how to do that in a way that will create global brands that have resonance throughout the world, but are very much Scottish based and based on the strengths that we have as an industry, inherent in the industry for many, many years. We also, of course, have a very traditional aspect to our industry. We have cashmere companies who have been in existence for 150 years or more, who are now looking at new ways of applying technology to what they do. We have technical textile companies who operate in a variety of areas. So, for example, we make here in Scotland, we make things like airbags for motor vehicles. We make artificial grass surfaces. We have textile applications in Medicare. So textiles is not simply about woolly jumpers, but the challenge, one of the major challenges for us, is how we can ally the traditional aspect of what we do here to modern technology and modern ways of marketing that, which of course is hugely important.
So one of the challenges, I guess, then is the low-cost manufacturing in countries like China. So how do Scotland differentiate themselves from these low-cost manufacturers?
Well, of course, low-cost manufacturing overseas has been a major issue for the industry here in Scotland over many years. But we have gradually evolved a strategy which allows us to compete with that. And that strategy really surrounds applying added value, new technology to our existing products, and of course finding new products, and in that way we would seek to differentiate as compared with our low-cost competitors overseas. It's interesting also that some of the manufacturing which had gone overseas some years ago is gradually returning to the UK and to Scotland because of course costs in those countries are actually increasing. But the key really for us, as in all competition, is to find a means through which we can differentiate our product.